Yeah, the homeless thing is starting to get out of control.
He's not leaving his own. He's still trying to figure out what to do. Quit sleeping in there at night. I'm just going to start kicking you out all the time. Who? You. Quit sleeping in there at night.
Dude, don't take no motherfucking picture of me. I knock your motherfucking ass. Do I knock your motherfucking ass off your mule. Bitch, so
hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching.
Look at that. Well, that was exciting. Got the blood pumping. Definitely gonna have to start carrying a little protection more often, I think. Huh? What do you guys think? Oh, here we go. Here's another one. Well, I figured I should change out the door lock. This one's bad. So, with everything else going on, might as well have some fun working on something before everything happens, huh? Now, I knew walking in that guy was gonna be trouble. He was staring at me way in the parking lot. That's why I got the camera. I mean, he was just mean mugging me. And so I wasn't sure what I was going to run into, but that definitely was not the response I was expecting. I was expecting him to be mad, but maybe leave, not get jumpy. So it shows you, you never know what's going to happen. I know I'm touching my face, I'm sorry. Everybody gets on me about touching my face. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. One of the few times I wish I had a little more protection on me instead of just some screwdrivers. It sucks that I couldn't put the camera down fast enough. He actually grabbed me. He grabbed me by the neck. So then I grabbed him. Obviously, no, we didn't punch each other, which was good, I guess. I did grab that long Phillips head screwdriver. I grabbed that out. I was going to fucking stab him with it. Was what my game plan was at the moment. And that's when he backed up when he saw me pull that thing out. Not that that would have stopped him, but definitely way more aggressive than I'm used to, and I think a lot of it has to do with just what's going on. A lot of these people, and I'm telling you folks, they know the cops aren't arresting them. Like, I could call the cops, they wouldn't show up here today. They just won't. They're just not doing it. They're not stopping the normal BS going on. And what the problem is they're all scared of getting the damn disease, so they don't want to deal with people. And I know that for a fact because I have friends that's family members are cops right now, and they're like, yeah, you can speed in town, you can do all this other stuff, and they're going to look the other way for right now. Well, that doesn't send a very good message to business owners that stay open. And you kind of hope that if you call, somebody's going to show up, because they ain't showing up. So, you're kind of on your own right now. It's not the Wild West yet, but it's pretty close. So, you know, people would make fun of us Americans because we have, but the reason people make fun of us Americans because we got a lot of pew-pews. Well, this is one of those situations in life where that's starting to pay off, and people are starting to buy them that never bought them before because they're scared. And they're scared because they know they ain't got the protection they had yesterday. Now, do I advocate those? No, I'm not a big fan of them. The scariest thing in my mind to think that I would have to use something like that, but you know what? It's between me and my life. I think I'm going to pick my life. And that's kind of the way things are right now. Because honestly, with that guy, if I had a pew-pew, I probably would have fired. Just because I was scared enough when he started running at me. You know, he might have had something in his pocket. I don't know. I mean, he could be stronger than me too and just beat me up. Between these gloves and this stupid rubber thing. This is kicking my butt, guys. Oh, I gotta take gloves off. I can't work with rubber gloves. I'm sorry. Jesus. I can't make this all work. It's part of the problem right now. We got all this damn PPE we're trying to wear. And it's hindering actually doing the work. Come on. This thing's fighting me. There we go. Now everybody knows how the rest of this goes back together. It's real pretty simple. This one's missing a screw for some weird reason. Well, like I said, we always vend the machine. We gotta adjust something here. We got it on a Wook. Gotta adjust it real quick. There we go, we got water. The DO means the door open. Sometimes people can open the door while the thing's running.
Hey, dude, don't take no motherfucking pictures of me, dude. Don't take no.
And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Keenan, why don't you get a longer Phillips head screwdriver so you're not right on top of it?
I knock your motherfucking.
You look at it, shoot you.
Look at that. Well, that was exciting. Got the blood pumping. Definitely gonna have to start carrying a little protection more often, I think. What do you guys think? Oh, here we go. Here's another one. Time to go. Time to go.
All right.
You're not as scary as the other one.
I appreciate you not tearing the place up when you're in here.
No problem. You know how it is in here?
I understand the situation, but I appreciate you not tearing it up.
Yep.